Okay, if you've got a foodie at home, there are some big fall food trends you're going to want to check out.
And here to tell us all about them is the host of The Great American Recipe on PBS, Alejandra Ramos.
Hi, Alejandra.
How are
Alejandra,
you?
we've eaten a lot today, so we're going to just slow roll the tasting.
What kind of snacks you got?
So we've got some amazing trends, like you said. So we're starting off with multi-sensory snacks. So these are pecan-based snack mixes created by a two-person team that is a former wine expert and a neuroscientist. So they kind of combine those skills and that knowledge to create snacks that incorporate aromas and scents and kind of create a taste experience. So here you've got so the flavors are, for example, we've got one. This one's called like Into the Snowy Woods, and it has herbs and nuts that kind of, it's almost like combining aromatherapy and a.
I love that. And these are healthy-ish.
Yeah, they are. No, absolutely. Right? I mean, like they're protein packed.
Yeah. All right, let's talk popcorn, but this isn't your grandma's popcorn.
Not your grandma's popcorn. So this trend is all about nostalgic global flavors. It's a lot of like first-gen immigrants, first-gen entrepreneurs who kind of came here and are combining the sort of kind of everyday American snacks like popcorn with their flavors. So these are first-generation Asian Americans, and they are creating these popcorns that are the snacks that they grew up with, like ube. This is yam. This is milk tea. Have you ever had like bubble tea?
Yeah.
Yes. Salted egg, like the Chinese salted egg.
The salted egg is delicious.
Yes.
Really?
And so, so good. I love, and then black sesame is also another popular Asian flavor. So it's kind of nice kind of combining those flavors. I think that's such a great kind of celebration of what American food is about, right?
I dropped some down. Yeah, I dropped a little.
You know, I can't eat popcorn without saving some for later, so I relate.
It's really beautiful. Okay.
Speaking of amazing global flavors, so this is, have you heard of like regular like Asian chili crisp?
Yes.
This is Mexico's answer to that. It's called salsa macha. It's a salsa that originates in Veracruz, part of Mexico, and it's a salsa that's oil-based with nuts and seeds and chilies. We poured some on some steak over here. So it's not like a tomato-based sauce. It is very spicy. This is from a company called Somos, and they actually have, I know it does pack a punch. And they also have a sweet version.
Water? This is the 40th time that this has happened.
We've got a little bit of iced coffee if you'd like to.
Yeah, I do.
There you go.
Wow, that was spicier than we thought it was, but it's delicious.
Well, salsa macha, I mean, it's a bold flavored sauce. I know.
Oh, wow.
This is pumpkin.
All right. Well, if you want something else to put your salsa on, how about tamales?
I love tamales.
Yes, you are a Texas girl, so you know all about tamales. This brand called Tucson Tamale. This is a husband and wife team. She's a Mexican American. He fell in love with Mexican American food when he fell in love with her. They created this incredible brand, and they're microwavable, which is what's amazing. So this is like the new microwave burrito, basically.
Amazing.
Because tamales are steamed, so they cook beautifully in the microwave. You just put like the pack right in.
Okay.
And
pop it off.
2-3 minutes in the microwave, and you've got this perfectly steamed tamal. And they have all sorts of different flavors. There's vegetarian ones. There's a pork and chili one. That one's pork.
Love it.
Black
Do they have bean and cheese? Because that's my favorite.
Yes, they do.
All right, this is what Hoda's been waiting for.
All right, another delicious microwave treat. These are cozy, warm desserts for fall. This is sticky toffee pudding.
Yes, nothing better than sticky toffee pudding,
It's a classic British dessert. The owner is Tracy Wilkinson Claro. She moved to Austin.
Oh, really?
From England and brought a taste of home with her, started selling these in a farmer's market. And I mean, so delicious. Pop them in the microwave. They come frozen.
Forget it.
Gooey, glorious. And of course, pumpkin spice. Summer meets fall for those that like iced coffee all year long.
Love a cold brew.
Amazing.
Yes.
Okay, you're the best,
Thank you.
Alejandra. Thank you.
Okay.